I wanted to show you how you can turn your prompt into an interactive video with multiple calls to action. So let's say I've created my prompt and I'm going to embed it on my website as a lead generation tool. I can customize it, and instead of choosing response type video, I can choose response type choice. Then I can add in different options that I want the user to click on. So for example, if I do want them to record a video, I can make a CTA saying record your video. I can also add a link for them to visit my website and add a link to my calendar for them to book a meeting with me. Then when they're ready to respond to the prompt, they will see CTAs like this. So if they want to send me a video and ask me a question, they can do it like this. They can click on the link to visit my website, and they can book a meeting with me using this link. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us a reply to the prompt at the bottom of our website.